Would you like to create the full expression of your divine nature? Yeah. Sounds great, doesn't it? Do you want to do that? Yeah. We can. When we come together, when we realize the old stories of lack or fear or loss or I can't, or the stories of I don't know how. We do this when we realize that our true nature is spiritual. Today, begin telling a new story about you. Make it a good one. If you're going to tell a story, make it good. You're going to create your life, make it happy. Make it good. Make it about forgiveness. Make it about love, joy, peace. Make it about how you will rise up like Jesus on Resurrection Day. Jesus demonstrated over and over that the true goal of our humanity is to open to the true nature of our divinity.